I'm new to being a single parent. Some days go bad, others go worse. For my daughter, Mandy, today was the worst day yet. Today, she had to say goodbye to a friend. Today, she had to say goodbye to Mr. Barney. My daughter, Mandy, is fantastic. I couldn't ask for a better kid. It's really hard to tell a child their pet is dead, especially when it was you that accidentally backed over it while pulling out of the driveway. So I lied. The cat's name was Mr. Barney. She loved that cat. She was big into animals, especially cats. She even made me take her to that musical with the singing cat people. I guess it was okay. Mr. Barney had the accident 3 days ago. Ever since then, she's been hanging out by the cat's grave. 2, sometimes 3 times a day, she would bring the cat flowers or go out and talk to him. I realized something. She was having a hard time letting go. She missed her cat. I mean, she really missed him. I decided to have a talk with her. I didn't know if it would help, but I figured I had to try something. Her mental health seemed to be at stake. Then I realized something. She probably didn't know what death was. She had never lost a pet before. She didn't know how to grieve. Talking to her, I realized she thought there was a chance that her cat was still alive, buried, alone, and scared. I realized I had to do something. I pretended to hear a noise coming from the grave, a faint meowing sound. I was able to convince her that her cat was still alive. It worked, too. I had never seen her so excited. I ran and grabbed the shovel. She must have never seen any zombie movies before, because the thought of her dead cat coming back from the grave, it didn't seem to scare her at all. It's true that I hadn't read many parenting magazines, but I thought I knew what I was doing. I will never forget the look on my daughter's face when I pulled up the rotted, maggoty pile of stinking yellow fur from the hole.
I'm going.
Gee, guess I'm not cut out for this parent stuff after all.
Nice kitty, nice kitty.